Hi programmer, did you encounter module not found error in your Python program? Or are you stuck when you try to install module using pip and command prompt? No worries. In this video, the last minute professor will explain the step-by-step installation process of modules, resolving all issues. Wish you a time of happy learning. Step number 1. Open command prompt and change path to the location where Python is installed. In case you want to switch to a location in same drive, you can use change directory command as you see on the screen. In my case, command prompt is in C:, but I have installed Python in D drive. So the command is cd/d followed by the location where Python is installed. Step number 2. Check if pip is already installed by pip --version command. If you receive version details as you see on my screen, it indicates that pip is already installed. Else you'll get an error message stating that pip is not recognized. If pip is installed, kindly skip step number 3. Else, proceed with pip installation step. Step number 3. Open your web browser. Go to the link shown on the screen. I have added the link in the description box. You'll have Python code. Copy paste the code save it in the location where Python is installed with the file name get-pip.py. Run this file and command prompt using the command shown on the screen. I'm skipping this step because pip is already installed in my system. Step number 4. Now that we have pip, we can install any module from command prompt using pip install module name. Let me show you the installation of pygame module. For that, run the command shown on the screen. Once you receive the message that it is successfully installed, you can confirm it by importing the module in the interactive mode of Python. This is how it will look like. We should not receive module not found error now. Similarly, you can install numpy using pip install numpy. At times, you may be forced to use only specific versions of modules for the version of Python you're using. In such a scenario, you can mention the specific version number as you see on the screen. And here is the screenshot of pandas installation. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.